Everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. I have this shirt on. Finally, I got it to fit. I think I lost some weight. Anyway, this is just going to be a short video because I went to Walmart and finally found the Dano's original, and that's the green top, and the maroon top, which is the Chipotle. Then they also had the red top, which I don't mind because that's spicy, right? What they didn't have was cheesening. Now, I wish they would have had the cheesening. I love the cheesening. Dano's also has a new cheesening out, which is a jalapeno cheesening. I'm hoping to get that one soon. So what I'm doing down here in the pot is I'm going to make a shepherd's pie. But I will be using the Dano seasoning to do that. And I'm also going to be using this for Christmas, and we're doing Hanukkah this year for Rob. And this can be used with kosher meals because, well, you can. Anyway, so if you want the website, there it is. Scan that if it'll let you. If it'll focus. It's not really going to focus on that. Anyway, if that's able to focus for you, I would say go ahead and just scan it. You can find this on the TikTok shop. You can find it on Amazon if Amazon actually wants to freaking work. Or you can just go to danos.com. Somewhere on here, because I don't have my glasses on. Yes, danoseason.com. So, anyway, I'll let you know how the meal turned out, and I will be using these. Yum yum, get you some. I'm sure you also show your labels forward to know that you too can season with Dano. So this is what the meat looks like so far, and I did add the Chipotle and the original into it already. Give me a moment to open up that. I'm actually going to do my shepherd's pie a little different because I'm saving the green beans for casserole. So we will have some sweet corn, right? Sweet corn and some diced tomatoes. And because this can be your substitute for tomato sauce. So give me a minute. So sometimes, as I remind people, if you can't get your jar open, sometimes you gotta give it an extra hard spank. There you go. It goes right in there. And this is extra flavoring for you if you want to know. And then again, go in with your green top. That's the original. Remember that. Honestly, you don't need that much, and this stuff is great. You know, if you have to be on a certain diet, you can use Dano's. I actually started using Dano's in April when I went down to Texas to visit my son that now lives up here, huh, Steve? And like I said, the only thing I couldn't find is the cheesening. That is kind of disappointing. Let me get this mixed up. Okay, and at that point, I actually add a little extra Chipotle because I can. Now, don't forget when you got to make your instant mashed potato, right? This box does not. Yeah. Anyway, this box wants to make a mess. We'll fix that. So you want to put that much mashed potato in, instant, right? You guessed it. Little green top. Little maroon top. is you want to make this last. Dano's, it's not too expensive, but it's also not cheap. So, yeah. And now that we have the potatoes and the cheese on there, I'm only going to go back over the top with just like a sprinkle of the chipotle. Just a sprinkle. That'll do you. That'll do you. And then this is going to melt, and I'll meet you at the table. So this is what it looks like in the bowl. And you know, I actually have you up here in the cupboard. I've done that before. So there's still a lot in the pot. That sounded funny. But this, yummy. What do you think, guys? What do you think?
I haven't got to it yet. He was pulling on teeth.
So, I think this is really good.
Good.
Pardon?
It's great.
Anyway, remember, Dano seasoning. You can yum get you some. And with that said, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I have to say, this is some really good stuff. I really got to find that cheesening and the jalapeno cheesening and do some recipes up with those. But until then, I'm going to eat this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.